Do you feel stuck, like you're not even making any progress in life? What if I told you the secret to improving your life isn't as hard as you think it is? If not now, when will you start taking action in your life? When will you start taking control of your life? You might be asking, why should you even bother improving yourself? You might not even care about improving yourself, but let me tell you this: you will suffer if you don't improve yourself. You will feel the pain. Let me ask you this question: do you want to feel the pain of discipline or the pain of regret? Pain of discipline is doing the homework now so you don't have to do it tomorrow. The pain of discipline is going to the gym today so you don't have to go to the gym tomorrow and do the same thing. Pain of regret would be not going to the gym for a year, not doing your homework as effectively. 1 year from now, you're gonna be asking, I could have done this better. I could have done this better. I would have been stronger. I could have got better grades. But if you do it now, if you put in the pain now, you will never regret putting the pain now. You have to ask deep questions like, what can I do to make my life better? What can I do to be more healthy? What can I do to build more healthy habits? What can I do to make my room cleaner? What can I do that will help me with my mental health? Is taking a walk to the nature improve my mental health? Turn off all the screens in your room and really ask yourself about these questions and really think deeply about them. If you have negative and pessimistic people in your life, will these people make you go down or lift you up in life? Please really think deeply about this question. You are the average of 5 friends that you hang around with. So make sure your friends are hardworking, kind, caring, doesn't gossip, doesn't backbite, stays optimistic, not pessimistic. Obviously, it's good to be realistic, but you have to understand the difference between being realistic and being pessimistic. You don't want any pessimistic in your life. You need you need to be optimistic and realistic. But there's a boundary. Sometimes you could go a bit above being realistic. That's how you achieve the things you achieve. You have to think outside the box. You have to believe in yourself to the point that people think you're crazy. You should really stay away from people that consistently gossip about other people, judge other people, that are consistently negative, that keeps complaining about everything in their life, that makes excuses over and over again, that lies about people, that lies 50% of the things and says 50% of the truth to make them good, to make them appear good. And you should stay away from people that have and you should stay away from people that have arrogant opinions like women shouldn't drive, women shouldn't work. Ask yourself, the friends you have today, are they improving you or making you go down? Are you guys just playing video games together or hitting the gym, exercising, talking about how to improve your social skills, talking about creating this new business? Or are you guys just playing video games and talking trash about other people because you don't believe in yourself that you can amount to anything better than them in life? So you just talk trash about them. You might be asking, what causes your depression? You might be depressed because you just don't live like a healthy human being. To do that, you have to get your body moving every day. Go take a walk to the nature, read books, do some craft, draw something. You could be doing anything. Like before playing video games, do all these things, meditate, journal, take a walk, go to the gym, do your homework, finish all these tasks you have for the day. Eat healthy too. If you're not taking a walk to the nature, moving your body, doing homework on time, ask yourself, how could you not be depressed? You're not living like a healthy human being. You're not eating healthy food every day. Think about your future self. Sacrifice playing video games, eating junk food to build a six-pack app and improve your social skills. Improving your social skills will make you a lot happier in life. I actually have a video link in the description on how to improve your social skills. Peace and love to the planet Earth. Can I get a hug?